I'm going to be answering WASSCE 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 16. What happens when a minimum price is imposed in a market? A. Shortage occurs. B. Surplus occurs. C. The market maintains its equilibrium. D. Many firms will close down. Now, minimum price being imposed in a market is usually done by the government of that region or country, and how it happens is that the government does not allow or restrict prices. So the government does not allow prices to go above a certain level. Now, usually when the government imposes price and price is not allowed to go above that level, there is usually surplus. There is usually surplus in the market. And as a result of this surplus, sometimes the government has to purchase the surplus in order to maintain price, to maintain the price they have set, or the price range they have fixed. So the answer to the question is surplus occurs, which is B. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.